What's up, Comets? We are back here for activity number 2. We hope that you guys enjoyed our fitness bingo activity. It was super fun for us to make. We hope you guys enjoyed it, whether it was inside or outside. For those of you guys that sent in your video, I loved seeing them. Some of you guys did an excellent job at your push-ups, your lunges, your crunches. Some even did burpees, which is excellent. So I'd love seeing those videos. If you have a video or a photo that you still want to share, it's never too late. So just go ahead and send it my way on Remind, and I will be sure to check those out today. For today, we will be doing activity number 2. So activity number 2 is to create your own game at home. It can be inside, it can be outside, it can be used with no equipment, with any type of equipment that you want, or it can be making a twist to your favorite game. So I gave you guys an example on your packet. If some of you like basketball, like myself, you guys can use a regular basketball hoop, but instead of shooting hoops with a basketball, because
we need to buy a hoop.
Yeah, we don't have a hoop. So, but instead of shooting hoops with the basketball, you guys could try throwing a football into the basket and try playing a game like that. So, that's just one example of the many ways that you guys can kind of switch up a game. For today, one of the games that we have created is Jenga Bowling. So, you guys will need 2 things for this game if you guys are wanting to try it out. You guys will need a Jenga block. You want to show them a Jenga block? Show them a Jenga block. Show them one. Hurry.
One, okay.
1 Jenga block and 1, what we found at home was a bouncy ball that he had. So
yeah, because I brought it at John's Incredible.
Yeah, he got it at John's Incredible Pizza. So this was kind of the only thing that we found at home. You don't want to use something
John's Incredible.
That's what I said.
Well.
You don't want to use something too big, especially because we are doing it on the counter in our house. So we kind of wanted to find something that was small enough to where you could roll.
Because we got a game.
Yeah, so that way we could roll it on the counter. So we have also created a scoreboard right here. My name is in the red. His name is in the blue. And then
my name is blue and yours is in the red.
Yep. We'll each get 5 total throws, and then we will add up our scores to see who wins. So for our game, we have set up our game like this. So the blocks are set up just like a regular bowling pins are. Mine are set up the exact same way. And then we'll each get 2 throws for each round. And then we will add up our scores and see who wins. So Carson is going to go first. So let me put the camera a little bit on my blocks so you guys can look at that. And we will see what happens. Okay, you're up. So I will mark down our scores as he throws his first throw. So we're gonna go 5 rounds. You get 2 turns, and then it's my 2 turns, okay? So back it up a little bit. So for our game, we wanna start about right in front of where our blocks are. So he's gonna start right in front of where his blocks are. He gets 2 throws. Ready? Put your hand right here. And first number throw, go. Nice. So when we knocked it down, we're not gonna move it just like you would in regular bowling. So for the first round, he knocked down 3. So on line number 1, I will write a 3 down where he made his first pins knocked down, and then he'll get 1 more throw. Go ahead. And he hit 0 the second time. So he only got 3 for that first round. So before I go, I want to, this is mine, right? I want to reset my Jenga blocks, aka bowling pins. And then I will go ahead and shoot or throw my bounce ball for my first round. So, all right, so I will go next. Stop. I will go next. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Number 1.
Go.
Oh, I only got 1. Are you kidding? I only got 1. No, my turn. My turn again. Leave it alone until we do it again. I will do it the second time. And I only knocked down 3 that next time, so we are winning. I am winning right now 4-3. So that is the end of round 1.
I want to win, Mom.
Well, you gotta see. So then he'll fix your pins back. Then we will see who wins.
Oh.
the score right now is 29. He has 26. This is the final round. Here we go.
Oops. Unusual.
Ready? And go. Ooh, so he got 4 that one time. So he's up to 30. Go ahead. Ah, and he gets a spare. So he got 36. All right, because he got a spare, just like regular bowling on your last throw, if you get a strike or a spare, you get one more shot. So Carson, you get one more throw.
Oh.
And remember, if you're making up your own game, you guys can create your own
blue,
rules.
So
what?
I don't know what that is.
All right, so you get one more throw. Give me the thing. You get one more throw. Here we go. You only get one more. Go. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He got 6 more, so that gives him a total of 42 points. All right, I'm up.
No,
So we can take his out because he already went. No. It's my turn. And I am on my last round. So, here we go. Ready. Set.
Go.
Oh my gosh, I
Oh,
only
you
got
got
one.
one too. You got one.
And how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. I got 7.
That's my turn.
And Carson is the winner! All right. So that is our game of Jenga Bowling. We hope that you guys enjoy this activity. Please, again, send photos or videos of your guys' games. I would love to see them. Maybe something that we can implement in PE when we get back to school. I miss you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. And as always, if you guys ever have questions on anything, need help with anything, or need some ideas, if you guys want to copy our game, feel free to do so. If you guys need help thinking of any kind of games, please message me. We will see you tomorrow for another fun activity. See you guys later.